First, click the Start button located at the bottom left of your screen. This opens the Settings app. Next, select Network and Internet from the menu. Then select Wi-Fi from the sidebar. Make sure the Wi-Fi toggle is switched to the On position. Your laptop will now begin searching for available wireless networks. From the list of available networks, find your Xfinity Wi-Fi network. This might be listed as Xfinity or a custom network name if you have an Xfi gateway. If you're connecting to a public hotspot, look for Xfinity Wi-Fi. Click on the network name to proceed. After selecting the network, you'll be prompted to enter your Xfinity account credentials, including your username and password. Alternatively, you can use the Xfinity app for a simpler one-tap connection. For public hotspots, you might be redirected to a browser portal to sign in. If you encounter connection issues like can't connect to Xfinity Wi-Fi on your Windows 11 laptop, try these troubleshooting steps. First, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter. Right-click the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar and select Troubleshoot Problems. This built-in tool will automatically diagnose and fix common network issues. If the troubleshooter doesn't resolve the issue, try resetting your Xfinity router or gateway. Look for the Reset button on the back of the device and press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights restart. When using public Xfinity hotspots, it's crucial to use a VPN to encrypt your data and protect your privacy from potential threats. Also, ensure your home Xfinity network uses WPA3 encryption for enhanced security if your Xfi gateway supports it. Xfinity primarily uses Wi-Fi 6, also known as 802.11ax, for delivering faster internet speeds up to 10 GB/s with reduced interference, especially in busy areas. For optimal performance, ensure your Windows 11 laptop supports at least Wi-Fi 5, or ideally Wi-Fi 6. Most modern laptops do, but you can check your Wi-Fi card specifications in device settings. Upgrading to an Xfinity Xfi gateway can significantly improve your Wi-Fi experience with better coverage, mesh network capabilities for seamless roaming, and consistently faster speeds throughout your home. Looking ahead, Xfinity continues to expand its mesh network options, like Xfi pods, to provide seamless coverage in larger homes and outdoor areas. Xfinity is adopting advanced Wi-Fi standards like Wi-Fi 6E and emerging Wi-Fi 7, utilizing higher frequency bands for reduced interference and faster speeds. The evolution of Wi-Fi standards shows increasing speeds, security, and features, with Wi-Fi 7 offering up to 46 Gbps and support for emerging technologies. Future Windows 11 updates will enhance connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7, including improved auto reconnection and support for mesh networks through native settings. Looking ahead, expect AI-driven optimizations for better performance, quantum-secure encryption for enhanced security, IoT device integration, and Wi-Fi 8 delivering 100 Gbps speeds by 2030.